With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question is how many pairs of adjacent angles in all can you name in a figure? Okay, so basically we have given a figure and we have to find the pairs of the adjacent angle. Okay, so first of all we will discuss what is the adjacent angle. Okay, so let's suppose if we have given two pairs of angle. Okay, two pairs of angle like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so how can we say this is the two pair of angle? Let's suppose this is angle theta 1, okay, and this angle is theta 2. If these angle are adjacent angle, so what is the condition? Let's suppose this point is O, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so if two angles are adjacent angles, so the condition is that the vertex of the both angles should be same. Let here the vertex is O, same for the both angle, theta 1 for theta 2. Okay, and one side should be common in both of the angle. Okay, so here OB side is a common. Okay, so O is a common vertex. O is a common vertex. O is a common vertex for both angle, and OB is a common side. OB is a common side. OB is a common side for both angle. Okay, so if two pair of angle should be pair of adjacent angle, if their vertex should be same for both angle and one common side should be there in both pair of angle. Okay, so if we check here, so here if we check the angle OBA, okay, angle BOA, okay, angle BOA and angle COB, these both angle are basically adjacent angle because these both angle have a common vertex, that is O, and OB side is a common in both of the angle. Okay, so these two angle are basically pair of adjacent angles. Okay, so this is our first pair. If we check another pair, so here if we check angle angle BOC and angle DOC angle DOC, these two angles are also adjacent angle because here it is also O is a vertex and OC is a common side in both of the angle. Okay, and the third pair of adjacent angle, it will be COD and DOE. Okay, angle COD and angle COD and angle EOD, angle EOD. Okay, this angle is, these two pair of angle also adjacent angle because if we see here, then O is a vertex and OD is the common sides in both of the angle. Okay, if we talk about the next pair, that is fourth pair, so if we talk about the angle EOC, this angle EOC, angle EOC and angle AOC and angle AOC, these two pair of angle is also a adjacent angle because EOC and angle AOC, here it is OC is a common side and O is the vertex of both of the angles, so this is also adjacent angles pair. Okay, if we talk about the next pair, that is fifth, so here angle EOC, angle EOC, angle EOC and angle BOC and angle BOC, these two pair of angle is also adjacent angle because here if we see here that angle EOC and angle BOC, here it is a vertex is O and OC is the common side in both of the angle. Okay, so if we talk about the next pair of adjacent angle, that is sixth. Okay, so if we talk about the next pair of angle, then it will be, if we talk about the angle EOB and angle AOB, here it is also vertex O and OB is also the common side. So these two pair of angle is also adjacent angle pair. Okay, angle EOB and angle AOB. Okay, if we talk about the angle AOC, angle AOC, angle AOC and angle DOC, in which O is a vertex and OC is the common side. So this pair of angle is also adjacent angle pair, that is angle AOC and angle DOC. Angle DOC. Okay, if we talk about the further, then it is the next pair of adjacent angle, that is angle AOC. Okay, here it is angle AOC, angle AOC and angle EOC. Okay, angle AOC and angle EOC. Here it is a common vertex O and the common side OC. Okay, so angle AOC and angle EOC. Okay, angle AOC and angle EOC. It is also a pair of adjacent angle. Okay, if we talk about the next pair of adjacent angle, then it will be here. If we talk about the angle BOC and angle EOC. Okay, angle BOC and angle EOC. Here it is also vertex is O and the one common side is OC. So this angle, this pair of angle is also adjacent angle pair. Okay, so here it is angle BOC and angle EOC. Okay, angle BOC, angle BOC and angle BOC and angle BOC and angle EOC. Okay, angle EOC. Okay, if we see next pair of adjacent angle, then it will be, if we talk about the angle AOD and angle EOD, here it is a one common vertex, that is O, and the common side is OD. So this pair of angle is also adjacent angle pair. Okay, that is angle AOD and angle EOD. Okay, angle AOD, angle AOD and angle EOD. Okay, this pair is also adjacent angle pair. Okay, if we talk about the next pair of adjacent angle, then it will be, if we talk about the angle BOD and angle AOB, angle BOD and angle AOB, this is also a common vertex O and one common side, that is OB. So this pair of angle is also adjacent angle pair, that is angle AOB and angle BOD. Okay, angle AOB, angle AOB and angle BOD. Okay, so this is also a adjacent angle pair. Okay, if we talk about the next pair of adjacent angle, then it will be, okay, if we see in the figure, then it will be angle BOD and angle EOD. Okay, angle BOD, if we see in angle BOD and EOD, here it is a vertex O and OD is a common side in both of the angles. So angle BOD and angle EOD. Okay, here it is angle BOD and angle EOD. Okay, if we see in the figure, if we see in the figure, then except these 12 pair of adjacent angle, there is no adjacent pair of angle is possible. Okay, so only these 12 pair of adjacent angle is possible in the given figure. Okay, so this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.